Hi dear students, you are welcome in this video. Dear students, in this video we are going to cover 22 MCQs on I have three visions for India. Dear students, this is the first part on I have three visions for India, and in this part we will cover half of the MCQs, means 22 MCQs, and you need to take a pen and paper and write down MCQ 1 to 22, and I will read the MCQs and then tell you answers immediately, and on your paper or notebook you have to mark right if your answer is correct. So choose among four options or correct option which you think and mark it as right. If it is wrong, don't mark it, just leave it as it is, and at the end please calculate the score, how much marks you get in this test, because dear students, this is a high time of examinations and we need to be prepared for these examinations. So we will cover 22 MCQs for 22 marks. Each MCQ carries 1 mark. So let's start with the first multiple choice question. So students, here we have first question: who composed I have three visions for India? And we have options: A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, B. N.R. Narayan Murthy, C. Patrick Lafcadio-Hahn, D. Gordon Livingston. Please note down your answer, and the correct answer is A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam composed I have three visions for India. Question number 2, I have three visions for India is, options are A. a story, B. a speech, C. an essay, D. a poem. What is it? And the correct option is B. a speech. I have three visions for India is a speech. Question number 3, who is known as the missile man of India? And options are A. N.R. Narayan Murthy, B. Professor Rao, C. Abul Kalam, and D. Dr. Abdul Kalam. And the correct option is D. Dr. Abdul Kalam. Question number 4, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, also known as dash, and options are A. People's President, B. People's Prime Minister, C. People's Minister, and D. People's Chief Minister. And the correct option is A. People's President. Question number 5, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was awarded with highest Indian civilian honor dash. Options are A. Ramanujan Award, B. Bharat Ratna, C. Best Parliamentarian Award, and D. Best Leader. Please note down your option, and the correct option is B. Bharat Ratna. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was awarded with highest Indian civilian honor called Bharat Ratna. Question number 6, where did Dr. Kalam deliver I have three visions for India? And you have four options: A. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, B. Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, C. Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad, and D. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi. And the correct option is C. Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad. Question number 7, when did Dr. Kalam deliver I have three visions for India? And options are A. January 25, 2011, B. February 25, 2011, C. April 25, 2011, and D. May 25, 2011. Please note down your answer, and the correct option is D. May 25, 2011. Question number 8, dash was the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Options are A. Aul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, B. Ahmad Pakir Abdul Kalam, C. Arif Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, and D. Asif Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Please note down correct option, and the correct option is A. Aul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam is the full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 8, Dr. Kalam was born on October 15, 1931 in dash. Where did he born? Options are A. Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu, Vilivakkam, Tamil Nadu, C. Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and D. Kolkata, West Bengal. And the correct option is C. Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Question number 10. Dr. Kalam died at the age of 83 on July 27, 2015 while dash in Shillong, Meghalaya. And options are A. Addressing scientists, B. Addressing students, C. Addressing teachers, and D. Addressing technocrats. And the correct option is B. He was addressing students in Shillong, Meghalaya. Question number 11. Kalam began his career as a scientist in dash. Options are A. Indian Space Research Organization, B. Project Director of the Satellite Launch Vehicle SLV-3, C. Defense Research and Development Organization, D. Space Research Project. And the correct option is C. Defense Research and Development Organization, where he began his career as a scientist. Question number 12. Dr. Kalam's tenure as the President of India was from dash. A. 2002 to 2007, B. 2001 to 2006, C. 2003 to 2008, and D. None of the above. Please note down your option, and the correct option is 2002 to 2007 was the tenure of Dr. Kalam as a president. Now dear students, please calculate your score at the end of this video and comment that score in the comment box. I will appreciate your score, and if you have any problem, anything to share with me, you also can feel free to comment in the comment section. So let's move to the next question. Question number 13. In 1998, Dr. Kalam put forth a countrywide plan called dash. Options are A. Leadership Vision 2020, B. Scientist Vision 2020, C. Student Vision 2020, and D. Technology Vision 2020. What did he put forward in 1998? And the correct option is D. Technology Vision 2020, which is known as Vision 2020. Number 14. Dr. Kalam wrote a renowned autobiography called, what is the name of autobiography composed by Dr. Kalam? Options are A. India 2020, B. Turning Point, C. Wings of Fire, D. Indomitable Spirit. And the correct option is C. Wings of Fire is the name of Dr. Kalam's autobiography. 15. What is the first vision of Dr. Kalam? Options are A. Military power, B. Economic power, C. Development, and D. Freedom. What is the first vision? And the correct option is D. Freedom. 16. What is the second vision that Kalam talked of? Options are A. Military power, B. Economic power, C. Development, and D. Freedom. And the correct option is D. Development. Question number 17. State the third vision of Dr. Kalam. Again, options are A. Military power, B. Economic power, C. Development, and D. Both A and B. And the correct option is D. Both A and B, means the third vision is military power and economic power. Question number 18. Kalam considers himself fortunate to have worked with dash. Options are A. All of the below, B. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, C. Professor Satish Dhawan, and D. Dr. Brahma Prakash. And the correct option is A. All of the below. Dr. Kalam worked with Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Professor Satish Dhawan, and Dr. Brahma Prakash. Question number 19. How many milestones are seen by Kalam in his career? How many milestones are there? Options are A. 4 milestone, B. 3 milestone, C. 2 milestone, and D. 1 milestone. And the correct option is A. 4 milestone. There are 4 milestones in the career of Dr. Kalam. Question number 20. The full form of ISRO is dash. A. Indian Science Research Organization, B. Indian Space Research Organization, C. Indian Satellite Research Organization, and D. Indian Space Reproduction Organization. And the correct option is B. Indian Space Research Organization is the full form of ISRO. Question number 21. How many years did Kalam spend in ISRO? And options are A. 10 years, B. 15 years, C. 20 years, and D. 25 years. Please note down your option, and the correct option is C, 20 years spent in ISRO by Kalam. And the last question here we have, Dr. Kalam was dash for India's first SLV-3 program. Options are A, project assistant, B, project manager, C, project head, and D, project director. So what was the designation of Dr. Kalam, who worked for India's first SLV-3 program? And the correct option is D, he was project director at SLV-3 program. Now dear students, these are the multiple choice questions. We covered almost 22 questions. So please calculate your score and comment your score in the comment section. So we will meet in the next part on the same I have 3 visions for India. Thank you very much.